Well, well, well. Good morning. Good morning, good morning, good morning. Good morning, good morning, good morning. Gonna have a little 3-hour stream. And then I'm gonna go to the dentist and then to the gym, and then we'll be back live again afterwards. So welcome. Hope everybody's good. We're chilling. I don't normally look at the store. Let's have a look. Humongous. That kind of looks like a gum and a tooth. I know it's meant to be like a hairbrush or whatever. But yeah, uefn's still opening too, so we'll wait. It's funny that they made this one that everyone wears. More V-Bucks. Scars dude. With a big chopper. Cerberus. Okay. Dancing. Good morning, everyone. I know nobody's commented in the live yet, but there we go. Botrix is in the chat. W Botrix. Yo, never know, how you doing today? Good morning. I'm not sure if it's morning for you, but good morning from my end, kind of. I think it's time to get Diva. I did obviously a giveaway on X, but only one person claimed their award, and I'm not going to spam message them. If they don't want their award, then I'm not pressing for them to get it, you know? Yeah, so we've obviously got a cool Mercy skin. Mercy's the only one with like a variant, I think. Alright. Stream Elements is in the chat. We've got Tracer 2. Obviously we're going with Diva, because Diva's the coolest. When I've actually played Overwatch, I'm like so terrible at Diva and Tracer. I played Kiriko, she's pretty cool. Yeah. Alright, let's just get it. Let's get it. Obviously, using the best creator code that there is, GISMO. That's me. You know, I've never actually got the reward. You finish your map? The one that we made yesterday? Yeah, we finished it. But it did actually get discovery, surprisingly. Not much, but it did get discovery. It got like 10 players. Which is like obviously not good. I wasn't expecting it to get many players anyway, but yeah. So Grove Roguelike, Rogue Elite, I wrote Roguelite. It got 17 favorites, 500 minutes. Oh, the card map? No, we're going to be working on that one in this stream. And a 10-minute average play time, which is surprising. Surprised people even played for that long. Yeah, we're going to get back onto that card map today. Let me just equip my skin. Maybe change this from GG to a kiss. I want it to match the blue. Blam. Wham, blam. That one's kind of cool. Bow, 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 bow. Smiley face. It's pretty cool. Thumbs up for liking the video. Yeah, I think we'll just go put on a number 1. Yeah, that's the one that I like the most. Yeah, we're going to be on that very shortly. It was actually just opening up now. That's why we weren't already in it. But how's your zombie map going, Neverdo? I don't really like any of these back blings for this skin. It doesn't really match. Yeah, fuck it. We'll put Isaac on the back. Go. So we got a crying baby on the back and a cool little back bling. Probably change this one a little bit. Maybe to light blue. Too light. Yeah, looks like kind of cool. It's long. What do you mean it's long? It's long to make it, or long as in like in the UK people say like, oh, it's long, as if like it's a bad thing. Like, oh, that's long. So I don't know which one you mean. I'm not sure if you're from England. I don't think you are. But yeah, we gotta get some shit on. Let's do a lot of shit today. Down, 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 down. One thing that I do want to like check out at some point is how to create like a collection book, because we don't have that yet. And then we need to get all of the banner slots as well. There we go. Ooh. Surely I've made a mistake here. No, wait, 0, 1, 5, 6, 9, okay, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Yeah, there we go, we did make a mistake. And then let's go add the next lot of the characters. We'll keep them in the food ones. I guess a lot of them are food anyway. Because they do have a transparent background. Okay, that's fine. So we'll go see this one. Maybe can I just press save? AVIF file. Okay. You see, there isn't enough pictures on here for me to use them. Brain rot, transparent backgrounds. Okay, this one doesn't have a lot either. None of these websites have a lot of the images on. It's so annoying. This one wants me to pay for it. Of course not. You could ask AI to make them with no background. True. The issue is like with this page, it has loads of cool ones, but you just can't save the image. It says it was a WebP file. I'm gonna ask Claude, are you able to turn WebP files into PNGs? Okay, so he's saying I can just send 1 million of them. Cool. So copy image, paste. PP corn. Oh, I didn't even press copy, I guess. I'm gonna also, can you make sure to name them so I know what each of the character is? If it doesn't, then it's not the end of the world. But yeah, hopefully it does. I think you can normally only send 9 files to Claude at once. So, we'll just send this many. Yeah, we'll just send 9. Although now the art style isn't matching and it kind of looks weird. But okay, there's 6, 3 more. Two more. Okay, there's 9 images for it. Let's see how it does. These are all WebP files, dude. You said you can turn them into PNG. Morning, my guy. Morning, Danger. How you doing today? Did you have another early morning? Or are you back on the nocturnal routine? Okay, wait. I'm gonna say wait. Name them again. Keep the transparent backgrounds. And the naming needs to be like their original file name, not you creating a whole new name. Yeah, seems to be back on UK times again. Oh yeah. I think it's much easier to wake up like a normal human being in the summer. When it gets to winter time, it's fucking dark outside all the time anyway, so don't make much difference. Okay, so it just named them all weird. Alright, no, actually, I'm gonna take a screenshot so you can know the naming of them. So we used a lot of these ones. This is how lazy I am. I'm just gonna get Claude to name everything for me. And yeah, why not? And I'm gonna go take a pee as well while it's looking through these namings. Yeah, I played some BR today. I was gonna do it on live, but I didn't. I got fucking destroyed by everyone. I kept getting put against Unreal, even though I was unrated. And then eventually it started putting me with golds. But the golds were also just one-shotting me as well. It was a shame, really. Alright, well, I'm gonna go pee and put the kettle on. So it's nearly done. Yeah, thanks for the suggestion, Theo. That was a good idea. I need to open up 11 Labs 2. 11 Labs. Zebra, 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 leanie. Come on. Water break. Away. And let's just import all of these files and zip. This is pack one. Down, 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 down. I'm gonna just create a folder in here called 1 to 9. Okay, 1 to 9. Just gonna drag it all in. Just to make it easier to complete the process. Boom, 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 boom. Oh. Okay. And then pack 2. Well, still pack 1, but then 9 to 18. Or 10 to 18. Boom, 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 boom. I could have just done this myself, actually. Oh well. So we'd go with alphabetized then. And we'll just start whacking these out.
Avocadini antilopini.
Let
Avocadini antilopini.
me know. I'll turn down desktop audio.
Avocadini antilopini. Avocadini antilopini.
Is there a way where you can choose what the download on here saves as? I know you've used a lot of 11 Labs Danger, so is there a way I can just have the download be the text instead of calling it some long string? Avocadino Gufo.
Avocadini gufo. Avocadini gufo.
Is there a way that I'm
Cupcake
able?
koala.
Is there a way that I'm able to just make it download as the words I'm generating instead of it's coming up as 11 Labs? It just saves me having to rename it all. It's not even a big deal, but it just is like slightly faster for the rest of the process. Yo, what's up, Palma? How you doing? Fizzy soda. No, my candy. Bomba.
New my candy. New my candy.
Sounds so terrible. I use Brave, also always just click history and download away, then asking to rename before saving. Oh, fire. I also don't have premium, so I can't choose Wave. WAV file. So I still have to go put it into Audacity after. Where are you getting your brain rot models from? I'm just using images. So I don't actually need any files. It saves like quite a bit setting it up, and then it also saves money because I don't have to buy any packs.
Perrito burrito. Pee-pee corny.
But what, you can change it into WAV in history? Or what you mean?
Pee-pee corny. Pee-pee corny.
PP corny. Or you mean like on Brave? You can do it on like that on Brave.
Pee-pee kiwi. Pee-pee kiwi.
Click download icon in history and you can click what WAV. Oh, fire. That's sick. Oh my god, that's crazy. That says you have to do it through Audacity. So is that for everything I generate then? Oh, thanks. That's a very useful tip. I'm gonna go delete all these. Says you have to open it in Audacity then. So we've got PP Kiwi, fire.
Quesadilla crocodilla. Pippy kiwi.
Right, so we will start from here then.
Avocadini antilopini.
Which one is the best? I assume this one's the lowest quality, but does it even make a difference?
Avocadini
Okay, that
antilopini.
sounds terrible.
Avocadini antilopini.
So we'll just go with the top one, I imagine.
Avocadini antilopini.
Maybe 24.
Avocadini and
Yeah, I think probably that. It says half the file size and it sounds essentially the same. Alright. Let's start getting these done then. Delete all those. Cool. Thanks for the help. You always do 48. Yeah, 48 definitely sounding slightly crispier than 24. But 24 seems to be fine for us. So we got avocado antipini, avocado, buffalo, cupcake koala. I'm missing some, right? Or do I have to download it for it to show up? No. Just needed to refresh. My workflow here is not very good though. That's for sure. Okay, antipini.
avocadini.
Oh, wait, you said I can rename them in here, right? No. Maybe that's like a Brave only thing. Okay, so avocado, cupcake. No, my candy. Burrito. PP corny. PP kiwi. And quesadilla, crocodilla. And then we should just be able to rename these kind of easily because it's in order. So, avocadilla.wav. This one. .wav. Cookie koala.wav. Fizzy soda.wav. No more candy. I think the best way for me to would have like been doing this would have been getting all like 100 photos in one go, and then just running it like that. What am I using? It's saying I'm using something that's like bad. I think I copied a space. Yeah. PP corny. Oh. I'm missing one then, no?
Pippi Kiwi.
That's Pippi Kiwi. Have I done all these naming wrong?
Peepee Corny.
Yep. Which one did I miss then? That's so annoying.
Pippi Kiwi.
Pippi Kiwi. So this one's Quesadilla Crocodile.
Quesadilla Crocodile.
Yeah, it's probably bad. It's probably just auto lets you name it before saving. Yeah, I should probably do that.
Perrito Burrito. No, my candy.
So which one did I miss then? I missed Cupcake Koala.
Avocadini Goof.
Yeah. I'll check my browser settings shortly. I probably won't do it on stream just because I don't know what kind of things are on there. Not that there's like anything bad on there, but I don't want it to leak my details or something. Cool. We actually need to see that this whole amount of pages works. We added an extra 9 per page. Card 9, card 10, card 11. Come on, don't be back on that crashing like yesterday. Alright, cool. 9, 10, 11. I renamed these wrong, apparently. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I don't know how that imported that one twice. Is that my fault? No, I only see 9 in here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, I don't know how that happened. I must have copy pasted this instead of that. That's what it is. Cool. 11, 12, 13. I did it again, didn't I? Yeah. I'm definitely clicking on the audio player, that's why. But it's not unselecting it from the content browser. So 12, 13, which is you. Unclick on it. 14, which is no my candy. Unclick. 15, perrito, perrito. PP corny. Click off. Paste. Copy paste. Pippi kiwi. Click off paste. Copy paste. It's not copy pasting. we go. Casidia crocodilia. Now we go into this pack thing here. And then we can just copy in names like this. And 18. I should have told Claude to capitalize these images on the first letters, but it's fine. I think I'm missing one though. Oh no, actually no, I'm not, because it's index based. Cool. Save. Card textures. We just go drag these all in. Get that to 18. This one has got like some kind of thing in the bottom, right? Oh, watermark kind of looking thing. It looks like Claude changed the got rid of the backgrounds kind of terribly in some of these images. That's no good. We'll see how it looks in game. If it looks like super terrible, we can also just go change it. We'll find a different way to do it. But I'm not gonna sweat over it if it's a little bit bad. Actually, I think just duplicating it that way would take forever. If I just shift duplicate all of them in one go, then I don't need to wait as long for it to do all that. And then we just go open a second content browser. And we want our brainrot images, pack 1, 10 to 18. Cool. And then, can I open all of them at once by doing that? No. Okay, it's fine. So 10, 11. Wait, surely I can open them all in one go. Yeah, cool. It didn't even actually open all of them in one go. Fuck it. We'll just take it one by one, I guess. Okay, so 10. 11. 13. Wait, 9, 10, 11. Yeah. Oh, wait, what the fuck? 9, 10, 11. Okay. I'm so confused. What the fuck? Alright. 1, 2, 3, 9. That's the first one. Yeah. Okay. I don't know why I'm confused, but there we go. I'm also thinking I actually could have set this up much easier by having it to change the material instance card art in verse, and then linking at the and tell it to use the card textures based on like the index, because obviously they have the same index. So that probably would have been a good idea, but for the moment we're just gonna continue how it is and test how these all look first. I'm also not sure if it's going to be worth changing it, because like it probably will be. I'm just not 100% sure. Material instances are kind of light anyway, but let's see actually. If I think it will be worth doing, just because it saves me some time. First we'll see how it looks, and then we'll try and get that changed. Okay. I think I selected everything. Yeah. Seems right. Checking changes in case it crashes and we lose everything. Cards 9 to 10 to 18. Setting up for multiplayer will be easy, but testing if it works properly will take a while, I guess. So let's open Claude. I'm gonna ask it. So, hey Claude. I don't even normally write hey Claude. Okay, so in my card database device, are you able to change the material instance per pack per card, as in I want you to use an index based texture that we already set up in the card textures. I have a material parameter called card art, so can you just change the texture parameter? Is that how you spell parameter? I don't know, I spelled parameter on both times. Two different wrong ways.
Limoncello.
Okay, we need more pack 1s, please, game, not pack 3. Kebab?
Are you hungry?
Not really. Thanks.
Limoncello. Trulimio Trulrich. Limoncello. Cello, limoncello. Trippy, troppy. Cello, limoncello.
We're only getting these ones so far.
Burrito, burrito.
Oh, that was wrong. That was wrong. That just said burrito, burrito.
Cappuccino, assassino. Bananita, dolfinita. Trippy, troppy. Trulimio, Trulrich.
I don't seem to be getting any of the pack. What's it on? One sec. Wait. One sec. Before that, I don't seem to be getting any card 1 or 10 to 19 from pack 1. I'm just testing it right now. So it wants card collection and roll card from pack, which he thinks is in here, or just update card collection, card database, pack state, and some other files. Ask if you need any other file. What's up, Kakeshi? How you doing this lovely morning? I think it's night time for you. So how is your lovely night time going? Unless you woke up like really early, then what's up, early guy? Pack type, okay. Pack type, I don't think we have any helpers, do we? Doesn't look like it. Card ID. Card data. I'm just gonna paste the fucking shit ton of them. It'll probably take a bit longer, but it's fine. Down. Whilst you grab it, hunt for the RNG. Go for it, dude. There we go. Woke up at 7 p.m. today. Oh, blimey. That's no good, dude. 7 p.m. waking up. I mean, I've done it before, so I can't judge. There we go. Close, card data, paste. What was it? I was just only changing that. It was one thing. Okay. Okay. But also, actually, one of my audios messed up. I just remembered it was Trippy Troppies, which was in card slot number 7. So let's check, just in case I mess something up in there. Cause Trippy Troppy, no, it still says it, but for some reason it definitely played the burrito one. So we'll move on past that and just assume it was a one-time mistake. Okay, so now let's get onto the material change, right? So we'll just go generate a new one called material underscore card underscore card base, whatever. And then let's update, do a quick check and changes in case it breaks. So trying to remove the need for all the MIs. Dun 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 dun. Okay. Yep. Material underscore card base. And it lives in here. Copy file path. Parameter is Carter, right? Yep. Card art. Let's see how it does with this change, because it's not even like unnecessary change. It just saves me a tiny bit of so it wants me to move it into master assets for some reason. Okay. Apparently I've already got a second one open, which I do. Just get master assets and just drag it in here. This isn't even like guaranteed to work. Maybe I'm wasting time, but it might save time in the long run as well, because I do want to like make different themes afterwards with the same pack. Then it will save a lot of time in that regard, if it does work correctly. Let's take a look if this is correct. Correctamundo. We're all in here together. Yo guys, hopefully we all get some fire maps and get loads of money. Alright, we got an error here. It's in get card material instance. Okay, let's go and just paste that there. Oh no, it's no longer an error apparently. And then once we press compile verse, I think the editable should disappear. If they don't, then we'll find out. Compile verse. Tiptoeing through the window. Yeah, so in 2 hours and 20 minutes, I gotta go to the dentist, and then I will go to the gym, and I will be back live. So the materials have been removed. Now that materials are removed, we can go find out if it even worked. And we have a message on Fiverr. You have to reply to them, otherwise you get what's good, only map building or development too. I do everything. I'm so great. Yeah, I'm sure I do everything. Most of the time, these people, because he wrote what's good, I'm going to assume he's a real person. But most of the time, they just send like a text file and they're like 100% trying to scam you. Or they'll ask for like a project that will take a month, and they'll be like, yeah, can you do it for like $5? It's like, fuck you, cunt. Nah, but for real, they do actually, on Fiverr a lot of the times, they want you to do like 10 years worth of work for $1. It's crazy. Like, I remember somebody wanted me to make like a roguelike with some other kind of game mode mixed in with it, and they wanted it for like $20 or something. I was like, you're having a laugh. And then I just wrote, no, I'm not doing it. And he was like, please, you need to do this for me. I was like, gets me raging. Anyway, let's see now. Dun dun dun. No, my candy. Okay, so far it's wrong. Okay, so is that our first texture? We will quickly find out. So they're all assigning to its first texture. I'll quickly open a couple more packs to see if this is like persistently the same thing. Pack 1. Okay, it is very persistently doing that. So it's assigning. It could be the first material's already in there actually. Maybe it's not even assigning it at all. Let's go find out. Okay, so card base. This already has the banana one, so I don't think it's assigning the texture. I don't think that it is assigning the texture. Wait, I can just tell it to look at the wait, 4. Oh no, because that only does it with numbers. Okay, let's quickly add this. I'm pretty sure it's giving it the correct material, because otherwise it wouldn't show up on here. So I don't even need to add in these prints. It is assigning the material correctly, but not assigning the card art. There we go. I'm trying to think, will it even be worth it? No, yeah, fuck it. We'll make this scene graph as well then. Wait. We know that the material slot change works. That's not the issue. We need for the card art parameter to correctly change the texture parameter. One sec. Maybe if I go on, there's some information about it on the internet. How to change texture parameter in verse. Setting textures with verse. VFX file did it apparently.
Hey guys, Jordan here with
Hello Jordan, the GOAT. We're actually using Jordan's stuff
So
here.
we need to add, like we
This is the swap textures apparently. So this is kind of how you should use Claude. Because otherwise it's gonna guess and do it wrong. Or maybe it's already using this method. We'll find out. And obviously if this still gets it wrong, I probably will just continue with the way that worked. But just means a little bit more work. Textures on Primary 2D. Just need to quickly make sure that we even have that on the correct thing. I'm pretty sure it is, but just in case. So, Prim 2D, yep. Okay, we can close all those. Okay, let's see if this worked. Well, that was quick. It's saying it already pushed changes. I'm going to press it again just because I feel like it would not have actually done that in half of a second. We're all in together. We could drop a like on that video. Is it here? No. I lost the video. There we go. Thanks VFX fault. Jordan the GOAT. Yeah, because these banners are already made by him. Same as the like text that shows up in the game. Like that, for example. Oh. And then hopefully that worked. Not sure why that's no longer showing correctly. We'll have to take a look at that. Yeah, Fortnite was always doing this shit to me. It's always like running me across until I press the right key. There you go.
Trulimio Trulrich.
Yes, that actually broke everything. Is this the right one? Okay. This actually broke everything. The cards no longer show on the wall. And all of my banners also no longer show their material. I gotta pee. Okay, so we have to use the original one apparently. I could keep trying and it more than likely eventually get there, but I'm not sure if it's actually going to save more time than it's worth. Worth a try though. Not mad for trying. Revert back to the material array. It's fine. I'll just deal with it. It's saying we could like just try and do it with the same kind of method with scene graph that we're kind of doing here. But I don't think it's gonna be worth it. I'm gonna brush my teeth shortly as well. Wait, actually, why don't I just you know, whatever, it's fine. If I just revert back to the last change. Yeah, okay, so we'll just revert. Yes. Can you blow my whistle, baby, whistle, baby, here we go. I'm not sure if this is the version with the correct 18 in it or not. This shouldn't have an error. It didn't have an error before. There we go. Okay, no, it still has 18. There we go. Good, 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 good. I might eat soon as well. I'll probably eat on the live. Yeah. What even is that trigger for? I have no idea what I put this trigger for. Maybe it was an accident. But this also still shouldn't be white anymore. I'm not sure what's going on with that. I didn't even save my materials anyway. Even though, wait, I'll just close and reopen uefn because it sometimes does some shit like that. And then I guess I'll eat while it opens. Close. Save, close. Everybody. Hopefully it don't stay white. Okay, I'm gonna quickly grab something and then that'll give me enough time to leave 30 minutes. and then another 30 minutes, so then I can like not damage my enamel. Okay, hopefully it's still not broken, because it looks like it got rid of the signing of the letter material. Got my phone on charge as well. Yeah. Okay. Should be fine now because I don't see the floating whiteboard. I still need to make my horrors. I've got quite a lot of them that I just start and then never release. What time you going? 2:30. 2:30 appointment is 2:40. 2:30 at 2:40. What the hell? Nah, but for real. It was meant to be at 10, but they had to reschedule it. Otherwise, I would have went gym earlier and went to the dentist earlier, and then I'd already be back and everything, and we'd be doing a long stream. But instead, we got to split it into two. But yeah, it looks like it's all working now. Honky dory, happy days.
Zebra, zebralini. Trippy, troppy. Burrito, burrito.
So I've messed up on the editables apparently. This is clearly, how is that 15? 10, 11, 12, 15. That's messed up. Alright. Put that one here. One sec. Drag that one there. Wait. Yeah. But that actually means, wait a second. Banner 13. Right. For drag that there. Is this one still 14? Okay, 14 is at least correct. 15, panel 15, banner slot 15. What? The fuck is going on? I'm so confused now. 17 is right. 18 is right. 16 is right. 15 is right. 14 is right. 13 is in the complete wrong place. 12, 11. Yep. Okay. So now all of those are in the right place. Panel 10. That's right. That's right. 13, 14, 15. You get your ass over there. Okay. 16, 17, 18. Okay, everything else should be right. There we go. But it is a bit of a problem, to be honest, how these are white and these are black. I prefer everything to be the same color.
Bananita dolfinita. Avocadini antilopini.
They look so much better on the black background.
Verboloni luli loli. Avocadini antilopini.
Okay, so I got an idea. Grab these pack 1 images. Go back in to dun, 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 this one. No, it's not this one. Or is it this one? Can close this now. Yeah, so my teeth are fucked. One of my teeth, literally, I started flossing and my filling fell off, and the tooth is like, the enamel literally got eroded, so it's down to the dentin, and it's really not good looking. This file. Wait, so we need to come in here, export all these. Bulk export, downloads. So, for Claude temp. Whack them in there. Now just say keep these names the exact same. I just want them as transparent PNGs. Yeah, guys, make sure to look after your teeth. I didn't look after them for like my whole life, and now it's taking its toll. Now it's kind of like prevention control, I guess. And then we should just be able to download all of these as one. If we first extract it. Now I'm hoping this has them as, with a black background, like with how it looks on the other packs. Yes, perfect. Doesn't show instantly, which is fine. But it's good, it's good, it's good. Check, check, check.
Jello, lemon.
I could even think of start doing if I, for example, I think it's LERP, right? Use the LERP and had some of them to have different backgrounds to each other. So I'm not really good with materials though. How to use LERP to have two different textures on top of each other. I don't want to blend the textures together, I just want one on top of each other. Let's just see that these are all right. And then we can start making backgrounds.
Yippee kiwi. Trippy troppy.
But it's all working nice now. It's a good thing. Let the green arrows under the blue using grayscale image as the mask. I'm just gonna ask Claude. Fuck it. How do I create a material in Unreal Engine using like LERP and I guess 1- to have an image be overlaid on top of another image without any blending between them? I think I will need it to create a visual like diagram or something, because I can never understand when AI tells you how to create materials.
Cupcake koala.
Why is that saying Cupcake Koala?
Cupcake koala.
What?
Cupcake koala. New my candy.
I messed up the audios.
Zebra zubra zebralini. Avocadini antilopini.
Okay, that's right.
Avocadini gufo.
That's right.
Cupcake koala.
That's right.
New my candy.
Fizzy soda isn't right. Is it right in here?
New my candy.
No.
Cupcake koala.
Okay, for fuck's sake.
Avocadini. Avocadini gufo. Cupcake koala. New my candy.
I think I should have stayed with my old way of doing it. It's a bit slower, but wait, this is my mistake, in it, right? Fizzy, where you at? Fizzy. I can't even see the fizzy one. Okay, fizzy soda. I'm sure I made one though. Alright, whatever.
Fizzy soda.
Fizzy soda as WAV. So fizzy soda should be this one. Re-import with new file. This one.
Fizzy soda.
Okay, no my candy.
Cupcake koala.
So
Fizzy soda.
fizzy soda. That's right.
Cupcake koala.
Cupcake koala is which one? Is it cupcake koala now? Cupcake koala.
Cupcake koala.
Okay, cool.
Cupcake koala. Fizzy soda. Cupcake koala.
Okay, now which one's no my candy? Burrito.
Perito burrito.
No. No my candy.
Cupcake koala. Pee corny. Pippy kiwi. Quesadilla. Pee corn. Perito. Cupcake koala.
I'll just re-download it. Fuck it. No my candy. Re-import with new file. There we go.
New my candy.
So for a hard overlay with no blend between textures, you need a binary mask, pure O's and ones driving the LUTs alpha. Soft grayscale visuals and alpha are what cause blending, so the trick is to forcing alpha to snap to either 1 or 0. Here's the core graph. Texture A, texture B, LUP, right. Create a visual for me players. Okay. So let's try that then. That was like a really good graph until it did the base color down here. Anyway, so it was card. I think card test is the base version, right? Yep. So then let's go duplicate this and call this one card background. And then let's give it a go. So I'll just move this over here. So we want to have this is our background. We can just choose like, I don't know if we actually have any kind of good things yet, so we'll just go with this one. We add a lerp node. And we bang those two together. And we put this into base color, right? Obviously that isn't what we want. So then we do mask texture. Do we have that? Mask texture. I don't see it. Where is mask texture in uefn? Mask texture. Or is this just meant to be like the kind of shape I want? U1. No. 1 minus round. Create a new graph. Maybe it's actually because this one here is not got a transparent background, so let's try with one with a transparent background, such as my Bernini thing. Monkey? I don't fucking know what they're called. Bananita. Bananita. And then A into round. And then we link that into alpha. Okay, cool. And then I'm thinking if we have a rainbow, I don't think we do. For example, I'm thinking we add like a panel as well and link that to UVs, and then let's go create maybe a seamless texture, maybe 0.5, whatever. Seamless square black foot black texture, right? Maybe I'm just making it way less performant for no real big increase. So we won't actually add a panner because I'm thinking maybe that's just a waste. What's up, Silent? How you doing today? Good morning, good evening, good afternoon. How you doing? Yeah, we don't really have many cool pictures already in here. I think I've seen one that said leaves. Fuck it. Fuck it, mate. Yeah, I'm good. How about you? Yeah, man, I'm doing good. I'm doing good. Thank you very much. We're just still on this project, trying to make it look good. Add some more packs and stuff. And we'll probably have to have like a tutorial for the first time they join. As well. Okay, I guess we'll just kind of take this as a first example. Let's just paste it in here. ChatGPT type beat. Alright, card mat 1, whatever. Okay. Conform. This isn't going to be the actual mat, but it's okay. For the moment, we'll just try it out. So how it looks. I think something like that does work though, like the radial kind of picture with like, yeah, I think it does work. At least for our mat 1, we can try that. We got the whole Cheddar crew here, except Cheddar. I'm sure he'll start live streaming again soon. I like just joining his live while I'm working on my maps. And then just lurking. Oh, that was scary. I thought my tooth fell out then. I'm actually thinking we link this to an emissive as well. Is that how you do it if I link? I kind of want, I have to see how this works. So. No, we wouldn't want that. We'd want like, wait. So here's a cool thing that I only recently know. So if you hold down Alt and click on one of your strings, it can break it for you. But so we want just this part, right? So maybe that would mean we'd kind of create another LURP, right? And put the A and the B into emissive. Oh no. No, that is not what we want. I'm gonna send a screenshot actually. Claudie boy, get your ass here. So then, how's it going? I guess you're gonna get the project by this weekend. Hoping to get the project posted by the weekend. Let's go, let's go. Hopefully it does well for you, man. Claude. Okay. It's going great. Thanks. How would I have the background texture to have an emissive quality without the overlay image also having it? AI is so fucking helpful and useful. It like means that anyone that don't really know a lot of stuff can just get creating. It's fantastic.
Limoncello. Trippy troppy.
Trippy droppy. Crazy. Maybe I should have just watched the YouTube video. It's okay. We'll get there eventually. Dun dun dun. Come on. Da, 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 da. To be honest, I already have a material that could work for this, with what I want, but the material is kind of expensive in terms of performance, so I'd prefer not to use it. Have like a real simple material, because a lot of the things in that material I don't need. This guy, this Claude right now is just fighting with itself with every single method it wants to create. It's just arguing with itself. There we go. Dun, dun, dun. What are you even working on, Silent? Was you was working on a style, isn't that right? So car background, round 1 minus, emissive. Okay. This should really look really good. So let me just move this over here and give this a go. So we want to create a multiply with the 1 minus going into the B, high bay B.
Be careful, it's hot,
Yes, bub.
and I feel like I want to throw up again.
What, from the food?
No,
Thank
food
you.
was cooked properly.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, I made a mistake. I only did a 1 minus. I was thinking you did this wrong. But, there we go. Perfect. And then maybe like a glint on it would be cool. But now again, I think I'm just overcomplicating the material for like not even that much of a performance boost. No, for a massive performance drop, but not much of a real impact in game. Oh, fucking cunt. Oh, fucking cunt. That's hot as shit. Burnt my lips. Bloody bastard. Yeah, I'd say that looks like pretty acceptable. I'm gonna change the card art. Dun, dun, dun. We'll just go create a new one. So we want just a radial burn overlay, radial sunburn element, kind of like this. So we can copy that. We'll create a new project. Doesn't need to be very big. We'll just go 512, 512. Okay, copy. So with this, all we want is to just have it fill out the page. And then we'll go a bit bigger. And then as long as it's centered, like there, that's good. And now we want we're gonna set this to just be a multiply, I think, right? And then we set the color of the background to blue, for example, and we lessen the multiply. And then let's actually maybe go over green for the first one. Or even a grey. Grey probably works. We'll just change this to card background 1, and then change this to T underscore. There we go. Bit better naming. I'm working on my first prop hunt. It's not like the typical ones. Oh hell yeah. I think prop hunts used to do much better before the recent change, because they removed prop hunt as a category in the past couple of weeks. I'm sure it can still do well though. I'm gonna say this is a PSD real quick. So card background PSD. And then we can go just change this to color overlay. Maybe like this one could be green. Or even, let's go with gradient overlay instead. with radial. I'm gonna change our first one as well, actually. Dun, dun, dun. I think that looks fine. And then let's go for like a blue, a green, and move this out. Delete this one. And we'll make this just like kind of dark green. No, this one light green, this one dark green. Then maybe a bit less light. Yeah, whatever it works, I'm sure. Oh, delete that. We don't want a new material. Let's quickly check how this looks with the second variant. It's not updating. That's weird. Yeah, it looks fine, I think. Just keep number one at the moment, though. Materials are playing up a little bit. I'm gonna resave this as a new PSD because PSD 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. My downloads are a horrible place to work from. The folder not so much. Like the game itself is pretty organized, but my files are definitely not. Okay, I'm gonna get on eating a bit of this. Shouldn't be as burning now. While we're eating, I'm gonna play chess. I'm not very good at chess, but we can still play it. You can see that I'm not good because I'm in a low elo. I'm like 300 or 500 or something. See, we're in bronze 500. I'm probably gonna lose really fast, and you're all gonna be like, "Ah, you're so bad." What's your theme for your prop hunt anyway, Silent? It's like a spooky farm vibe. I think I remember Chet played one of those a long time ago. It was somebody's map. They had their mic on. We're just trading pieces here, but whatever. Then he's gonna put his queen. Yep. That was actually bad. Ooh, okay, no. It was good, because he also made a mistake. Oh no, wait, actually, yeah, because this horse is protected by the castle, and if he takes that, okay, that was a good play actually. Fuck. Okay, well played. But if he takes me here, then I take him as well. So. Shit. Okay, we can put him in check though. We can still keep him in check. Okay, now he's running after us. We can't take us back. Okay, no, that was bad from him. Ooh, that was good, but I'm protecting my shit. Okay, well played to this guy. I have to lose this. I think I don't see a better thing for me to do. Okay, he's coming after my shit. No, thank you. And then let's go here. Okay. Good job. I just go there. Okay, we got a double trouble. He's got 2-point advantage on me at the moment, which is fine. So, if I take this, I think he goes and kills me. Wait. But then if he comes here, We if I go here, that pawn's not protected anymore. If I go here, maybe I can trade with him on this, and then that puts us like a same. Okay, he didn't want to trade. Fair. Okay, so if he takes this, then I take that, then I've just lost my good points. Good pawns. So next we go here. This is a free pawn? No, it isn't. He can go only here, right? Shit. I kind of have to, I think. Okay, I'm in an even bigger disadvantage now, though. I think we go 1. I've lost this game. I'm not gonna surrender, though. No, 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 no. Yeah, I've lost. GG. GG. Nearly finished this food. That's on the white. Can't really protect the white. Not that one at least. So yeah, we're cooked. We're cooked. How do I chat? There we go. GG. Oh no, he's kind of retarded as well. He just wrote well played, but that was not a well played by me. That was just a bad play by him. Put that here. That protects both of my pieces, but he can take this. But then I think I'm further along the board than him. Okay, so now he has to take one of my pieces, but he's also a bit further along the board as well now, so... let's see what he does. That was the best move, I'm pretty sure, but then I put him in check 2. And then... Okay. I mean, to be honest, I lost a long time ago, so... Well played. I should have went up here. And that's me out of the game. Unless he's had stalemates. Ah, good job. Okay. Yeah, I'd say this is looking pretty good though. Obviously, it's just a small improvement from before, but I still think it looks cool.
Bananita dolfinita. Pocket koala. Zebra zebralini.
Yes, Bev. Yes, Bev. Yes. Yep. So yeah, I started flossing recently, and now I've got like a load of food in my teeth. Like, it feels horrible.
Trippy troppy. Burrito burrito. Bananita dolfinita.
Yeah, some of these photos are actually like messed up because of the background remover that Claude did. Quite a lot of them actually, you can see. Oh well. We're just gonna keep it with what it is now, I guess. It does look kind of terrible though. I'm not sure which material I'm using for my not owned material. I'm thinking I'm using this one for the main material if we don't have it, but I'm not entirely sure. Cardboard device. Ah, okay. Let's go create a new one for this. I just go duplicate this and call it card and art. And we'll put it as like black with a question mark. And remove the emissive property. Oh, we don't want the multiply actually anymore, did we? We'll put this as the red question mark then. Unless we have a white one. Yeah. We'll go with the white. Does it have an outline? Outline. Yeah. It works, I guess. Thanks, Summer. I'm not sure how much you've seen, but I'm about to change that obviously to the question mark. Let's take this container in 1 sec. Okay. Okay, yeah, so it's got some cool little question mark, and then once we actually get the pack, it will update. Oh, wait, no money.
Cappuccino assassino. Herboloni luli loli.
Yeah, I mean, I'm pretty happy with kind of how it's going so far.
Finita dolfinita.
Like drop triggered. What's up, Mike?
Botticelli. Bananita dolfinita.
Other than the background removing problems, I think it's looking fine. We will need to create like an index for it as well, because right now this is good and everything, but most of these kind of games have an index. I'd need to watch a YouTube video because I'm not really sure how to create that kind of UI. I think Frozen Prawns made a video on it. Yeah, I watched half of it apparently. So I would have to like kind of watch through this video and figure out how to create my own collection book. Obviously he's got his code in here. The code isn't really the problem. I think more so the problem will be figuring out how to do this. I'll probably just follow this like step by step when after I'm back from the gym, because I don't want to get a copyright strike. So you create like a blueprint of something. Yeah, well, we'll just follow this tutorial outside of the stream.
Avocadini gufo.
Yeah, the images look kind of terrible, to be honest, actually.
Corny.
I might have to go recreate these myself, because Claude's photo remover or background remover looks horrible. But it's probably a waste of time. You know, like getting this all really super polished, because you don't even know if it's going to get any plays. So if it gets loads of plays, we'll fix that. I think that's more of a sensible solution than going and fixing them all now. Makes most sense to me, at least. So yeah, we just gotta maybe go up to, I think, 300 cards, which is gonna take like a long time, and it's gonna be pretty boring to watch, but that's what we'll be doing later. And then we will work on multiplayer to check that it all works correctly in multiplayer. And then persistence. I'm not sure how persistence will work, because Scene Graph doesn't have persistence, but I think it will be fine in the end. We'll figure something out. But for the moment, maybe we do some level design, because we only have an hour left. Before I need to evacuate. So, how do the other ones look like? One sec, let's check and changes. Before, check, Enviro. Okay. I guess we'll check out Fight Bomb for brain rot. Turn off my mic so some kid don't reply to me. Nitro maps. I swear this guy made like 1 million brain rots, right? Nitro maps. Yeah, he's got like 5. So this one didn't do that well, but it did good on release. The Escape Spikes for Brain Rot was his best one, I guess. Maybe it got some kind of categories. I don't want to get banned. Turn off this audio quick. We'll turn that back on after. So Yin Yang event in 2 hours. To be honest, level design doesn't even look nice. It's just a green box with checkered environment. This don't work. Okay, it does work, it's just laggy. Well, it hadn't like initialized yet maybe. It has 123 variants. So maybe I won't need to do as many as I thought. This kind of looks good, better than the other one. So this is just a rocket launcher with 6-7 written everywhere. Has trading. It seems a lot of them do have trading, because the past couple of ones, and I think even what's his face? Kakashi, that's the name. I can't remember. Said that they all have trading in them, because when I joined that card one yesterday just to see what it looked like, somebody gave me the most rare cards instantly. So okay, how do I stop this? Right. Would I just shoot the wall? I'm a bit confused. Yeah, okay. So this map has thousands of players, right? Yeah. It doesn't really... what's the word? I don't think I'm the target audience for this. And it seems I see this scoreboard quite a lot in the top right. I see that like everywhere. Wow, they're probably making hella money from that. Somebody's definitely spending 1,000 V-Bucks on that, isn't they? Okay, so I think Divine is the top ranking in this. Maybe OG? Ah, you can't steal OGs. Forbidden? How about that? Forbiddens can't be stolen either. Okay. Ah, so scary. Why would they put such a scary one in this game? It's meant to be a kid's game, no? And they're putting such a scary thing like that in. That's so messed up. I wonder how long this kind of thing takes to make. Can't take that long, right? And he's just gonna be making billions of money. Billions of moolah. We'll go back into the not sure how to get out of the store out there. We'll go check that other one I played yesterday real quick as well. See what they're doing in that one. Ah yeah, so the map we made in the 4-hour challenge yesterday got like 5 players. But it surprisingly did go into Discovery. But it's obviously not that good of a map, so it didn't get many plays. Yeah, it was a fun challenge. What's this one? Because when I seen this one, I was like, oh, this one looks so good. They have a conveyor belt instead of like a re-roll machine, which I did. And they have really cool VFX. So I think this one kind of copied the Roblox map, which I seen. I do like their pop-up animation a bit more than mine as well. Was this made on Roblox? This was copied from like a Roblox one, yeah. But they all have trading, it seems, and what's this? Battle Tower. This has some attacking kind of thing, I don't know, that the other one doesn't have. A friend system. I guess you both need to be in one of these at the same time. But yeah, it's pretty cool, pretty cool. Cool, cool, cool. Mine will be like a worse version of that, I'd imagine. I'm making some water. Okay. I think that lots of Roblox creators are trying to swap to Fortnite, but then loads of Fortnite creators are trying to swap to Roblox. So that's quite funny. Because I've seen some tweets, and everyone in the Roblox comments was like, don't swap to Fortnite, it's even worse than Roblox. I want to check this out as well, fuck it. So this is just often can't move in these kind of games. Let me reopen Roblox. And I think this video is probably going to get copyright striked. But that looked like it would be really easy to make in Fortnite. Okay. So you just walk. I don't know why my character's built like that. I don't know what they did to my character. So you just walk. I guess this kills us. Okay. How do I get fast then? Just click. This would be super easy to make in Fortnite. Do I have any V-Bucks left? Fuck it. Oh, I'm thick now. Damn. Can I even make it across yet? Yeah. Okay. Would you guys even see this doing well in Fortnite though? I feel like this wouldn't do that well. Kind of feels like I'm invincible. How about this one? Oh shit. Oh no! And then he got banned. I forgot you're not allowed to swear on Roblox. I think you do get a little bit faster each time as well. Maybe the pets give you speed. Hatch eggs. You see, none of these games look that good. So I don't get how they get so many plays. And I think you just need an auto clicker, right? After the card game, if it like doesn't do that well, I'll probably just make something like this. But the issue is, right, loads of people will just sit on those treadmills right? And in uefn, if they're not moving, then they don't get counted towards the payout metrics. But something like this would be super easy to make. Or actually, maybe because of the clicker, that will count them as being an active player, right? So this might be my next kind of creation, to steal this game. These this, like, I don't know what the genre is called, but I think it's called the +1 genre. They perform kind of well. Okay. What? Silly goose, silly goose. I'm not sure if they've said if money in game gives you more discovery or not. What's up, Gigolo? Ah, it changes each time. That's stupid. So it was that one, that one, that one. Okay. That one, that one, that one. Huh. Okay. Yeah, we'll just return. The only thing that I don't think you can do in Fortnite that this map has is you can't change your character's like body to become more hench. That's like the only difference. Yeah, this is probably gonna be my next Fortnite map after the pack game. I don't really want to get into anything too serious right now until I'm back from the gym. I wonder how much auto click costs. I need coffee, good idea. Yeah, I'm drinking coffee all the time. It's gotta be done. Need that coffee. I don't know how people live without coffee. Probably they're not become addicted to it yet. Hazelnut flavor, not flour. I think a good thing about making something like this one would be that I kind of already have everything I need for this as well. Does anybody have a map that they want me to play that they've made? Because I'm not going to be doing anything until I come back. Just chilling. Okay. I'll go grab a drink. Can I click while I'm on this? I can. I'm not gonna get a drink. I meant to say brush my teeth anyway. What does anybody use the movement device? Does it have like per player stats? Or yeah, I'm not really sure how that one works. Oh, that's close to swearing. Okay, back in a sec. Toothbrush. Hey, we lost everyone. We still got 5 people here. Appreciate you guys. Oh, I'm chunky as hell. I'm a chunkster. I wonder how much like recurring plays this map has. Cause surely there's not that much like once you've like kind of done it the first couple of times, right? Can't be that much more. Oh, I'm dead, I'm dead, I'm dead, I'm dead, I'm dead. I'm still alive. Sweet. Oh, there's signs. I just didn't realize. I bet he's just thinking, do I go? Or is he healing himself up? No, okay, he ran. Coward. Okay, fuck it. Let's go. Jump, 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 jump. Easy. Gotta go in like 10 minutes, so naturally I think that's a good end. We died in the game, and yeah, hopefully you guys come back when I'm back from the gym and dentist. I'd appreciate that. Yeah, this map's always sometimes gets some plays, but my other one don't. The one released yesterday got 500 minutes. That's it. Better than none, I suppose. How you going, guys? Subscribe, all that good stuff. Yeah, surprisingly it got number 1 as well. Alright, have a good one.